So eventually we find a place that we can watch the sea. Unfortunately, we can only watch it because the splash and the wind are too strong, and you can see that it looks so muddy because of the strong winds. All the sands from the surface of the sea can be seen on the top. But it's not 4 meters yet. That's the forecast for 7 meters height, but it's not. Maybe later. But we can really feel the car shaking in the wind.
And it's wonderful to see it.
Yeah.
And we are chickens. We can go out. We could go out, but you know.
Yeah, I prefer to stay dry, chicken.
Yes. And look at the children. They're really enjoying the rain, which is so rare in Israel. The end of the word.
Don't they know it's the end?
This is the singer. This is the singer. All right, Chezi. Really music.